Hello everyone, this is INSECTICON here to do a quick unboxing and review of the Transformers the movie Walmart reissue in like cartoon colors of INSECTICON Shrapnel. Yeah, so I mean, it's like I said, it's kind of neat. I think these are, I'll be honest with you, I think they're fairly overpriced, being that this is $35 just for one, where a few years ago you can get that TRU set. I think even Walmart had the set for like 30 bucks originally, but I think they're overpriced now, and I think they've made plenty of money off of his molds. But, you know, still, I mean, it's fine. I like them. I'm curious to see how they look in the colors. So, and it comes with a little Energon cube. So let's start. Let's get it cut open and see what they got. And also, sometimes you can find these guys on sale. Originally, I think it was 35. Recently, Walmart had them on sale for 15. So if you can get it for 15 bucks, I'd say get it even at 35. I mean, it's kind of pricey, but it is what it is. So let's see what we got in this bad boy. Man, this thing is tight in here. Jeez. Okay, it comes in insect mode. Nice. So let's put the mangled box back. So we've got instructions, little safety thing that we don't need, and there he is in insect mode, which they're very basic transform. I actually kind of like it. I missed the chrome because the original ones had chrome on it, right? But the like silver painted plastic doesn't look terrible. That's still metal. That's cool. It's a different take on it. Yeah, that part is still metal. Don't know what else was metal. I haven't had a G1 shrapnel in a long time. Let's get the little accessories out. I think it's Energon cubes, maybe a weapon if I remember right. I don't remember, like a blaster or something like that. Let's see what we got in a little sack of goodies. I filled the cubes already. Oh wow, comes with a bunch of them. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes with 6. And his blaster. These have like a rubbery texture. Well, that's cool. Anyway, that's the 6 cubes and the blaster here. So let's get these set down. Let's get this on the way. At least it came with a few accessories, which is kind of neat. It didn't necessarily have to, but it did. So let's set them up here so we can get a little deal here. It's been a long time since I've transformed one of these, so bear with me. And yeah. All right, so let us transform. Like I said, the little cubes here. We'll stick these off to the side. Has a little blaster off to the side. See if I can remember how to transform this thing, because it's been a long time. If I'm doing it wrong, I'm doing it wrong. Head, super simple. If I remember the legs, that's the thing I don't remember. It's how to. Did it just slide? Yeah, they just slide down. Okay, and then the feet fold, and then pivot at the waist. These will go back like so. These come down to reveal the head. And this thing is tiny. He is smaller than G1 Hound. Or about maybe the same size. I mean, if you've never seen Insecticon, they're tiny. We'll get his blaster on his arm here. It just kind of... I thought it fit better than that on there. Maybe it didn't. I'm misremembering it. But yeah, that just kind of sits loosely on his hand, and he is tiny, man. He is. Lives up to his name of Insecticon. Let me get a couple of other Transformers just for a size comparison, real quick, just so you can see. Just for giggles, right? Let's see here. So I'll put him next to G1 Hound, the reissue. He's about the same size as Hound, so about robot size. Excuse the noise. transformer box that fell, and then this is hot rod. So anyway, thanks for watching, everyone.